Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to do a review of one of the items that I got. This is a pre-loved item, my very first pre-loved sandal. And the reason why I'm excited to share this with you all is because this is a venture from Lily Shops. Now, I'm pretty sure you all that follow luxury YouTube would know about Lily Shops. She's such a sweet lady, and I've been a subscriber of hers for so many years. I watch all the video, I even comment, and I've been rooting for her. I just love her. Lately, she has decided to focus, I think probably full time, on the luxury retail aspect. She has been one that would always purchase luxury items, and now venturing into what she describes has been her dream. And I'm truly happy and proud of her that she is actually following her dreams to launch her own luxury retail space. So she does have a website called theluxloop.co. And on her website, you will find so many designer brands at very affordable pricing. I was so excited when she had mentioned on her YouTube channel that she was doing this for herself and decided to support her. I went straight to the website to see what I could find. She has some new items as well, not just pre-loved. And a lot of her pre-loved items are in very good condition. I mean, like the condition of the Gucci sandals that I purchased from her are very good. And I'm also eyeing like a Gucci purse on there that I'm trying to tell myself I don't need. But the condition on that purse is also very good. And what really impressed me was the attention to detail on her website. Like if you should go on her website, she has different pictures of the exact item that you will be getting. She takes any type of imperfections, which to me, I don't really see much of it on most of her items. And she lists all of that for you. And on the description, it tells you exactly what the bag or what the shoes comes with. In my situation, my shoe, it's coming with a box, 2 dust bag, and the care guide. So all of this is listed for you. So you already know what you're getting. But I'm pretty sure if you have more questions about any items that you see on our website, if you reach out to her, she would promptly respond. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I genuinely wanted to support her, and she has beautiful items that I definitely interested in. So I'm not just buying just because I'm trying to support. I'm buying because I really like the items she has on the website. So enough of my rambling, and let's get to how the box, the shoe, the sandals, how it came in the mail. Now it came in a big box, but I don't have that here with me. I don't think I need it, but it comes in a big box, well protected. And on the actual shoebox itself, she kind of wraps it up with this paper. And on that, it has her label that says Deluxe Loop on there. So guys, this is just like, I like the luxury feel that you get when you get your items. I mean, she's just not throwing the item in the dust bag and shipping it off to you guys. I like the attention to detail, how she kind of like used this paper wrapping to protect the actual box. Listen, guys, I pay attention to all this stuff because from what in my experience in the past, some of these resale websites, they would just throw your stuff in the gift box only with the dust bag and just ship it out to you. And then you get it and you're like, oh my gosh. But like truly, this is really nice. I love the attention to details and the extra care that she has in place to make sure that your items come protected. That's big for me. So that was why I decided to do a review, because I was really impressed by her customer service. And I was like, I need to support her as much as I can. And you guys watching this video, I'm pretty sure you know about Lily Shops. So definitely check out our website. She was also very nice enough to share a discount code for you guys. And I will kind of link, I'm going to add the discount code as well. It is YT, as in YouTube, Funmi, my name, 50. So that's YT Funmi 50. She was very nice enough. When I initially had to ask for permission because I don't want to talk about anybody's business without letting them know that I was going to be doing this review. So I reached out to her after I got my package, of course, and I did let her know how impressed I was and if she doesn't mind if I should do a review of the item on my YouTube channel. And she was nice enough to say, yes, definitely, she will be happy with that. And if I do decide to do the video, she was going to have a discount code for you guys as well. So that was so thoughtful of her. Anyways, let's go ahead and open my sandal. Take out the wrapping. And even after using this paper wrapping, this is also wrapped in this as well. So see what I'm talking about, guys. And this has the label, the locks loop on there, as you can see. So let's go ahead and tear this off. Of course, I did try the shoes on because I knew it was going to be my size, but I wanted to make sure it fit, and it truly did fit. I've been wanting this Gucci sandals for some time. Anytime I see it on a website, it's not really in my size. So when I saw it on her website and it was available in my size, the only one, I was like, this is meant to be. And at that time, she was actually also offering discount code for her YouTube subscribers as well. So if you like watch the video, you would have received, you would know about the discount code she was offering. So anyways, I love that it comes in the box, and I feel like I'm unboxing something brand new, but this is actually a pre-loved item, guys. Wait till you see the condition of this sandals. Okay, so this is how it comes. I already told you guys. Wait till you see the condition. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I've been wanting this for the longest, and so glad I was able to get it in my size. This is truly beautiful. They are so comfortable. It even has this tissue in there. I mean, look at the heel of this shoe. This doesn't even look like it's been worn. I mean, of course it's been worn, but probably just worn once. This definitely could easily pass like a floor sample, you know, but the wear on this is so good. It has almost no wear on it. Even right here, it kind of creases a little bit. You don't see that much creasing on there. So whoever owned this probably just wore it once. So this is the other one too. Also in great condition. Really good. The sole, the heel. Doesn't look like it had a lot of wear at all. I would say probably the previous owner wore this maybe once, if anything, you know. So truly happy with the condition of the shoes, and a lot of items. Like I said, I was also eyeing this Gucci handbag. I think it's the Boston in suede, the Gucci Boston handbag in the black suede. So cute. I'm still trying to justify if I really need that handbag or not, but we'll see. We'll see. And of course, it comes with the 2 dust bag, as she had listed in the description. This is the 2 dust bag. And then it comes with the Gucci booklet as well. So I'm pretty happy with my purchase from the Lux Loop. And if you guys have not checked out her website, definitely go ahead and check out her website. And don't forget to use my discount code YTFUMI50 on any items that you love. And if you do end up purchasing anything, do leave a comment and let me know. So yeah, that's it for today. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.